part 1, we looked at the law. In part 2, we looked at the society behind the law because every legal debate is also a sociological one. So let's understand Romeo Juliet clause from sociological perspective. According to Ralph Dahrendorf, conflict arises from authority and not just class. POXO often reflects adult and parental control over adolescent. Therefore, this Romeo Juliet debate highlights a generational conflict, that is protection versus control. We can also apply Howard Becker's labeling theory to understand this. Deviance is socially created. POXO labels consensual adolescents either as criminal or victims. This clause will prevent unnecessary labeling of normal adolescent behavior. In fact, you can also apply Irving Goffman's stigma. Legal cases, they create spoiled identities, school dropout, stigma, social isolation. Decriminalization will protect these adolescents from lifelong stigma. We can also evaluate it from feminist perspectives. Feminists support strong protection from exploitation, but criticize denying female adolescent agency. Treating all girls as helpless victims ignore their consent. This Romeo Juliet clause will balance protection with autonomy. In fact, Emily Durkheim's concept of anomy also applies. According to Durkheim, law reflects collective morality. POXO expresses society's anger against child abuse. But when you criminalize consensual adolescence, it will create anomy, a gap between the law and social reality. This clause will help us in realigning law with social change. Hence, the Romeo Juliet clause is not about weakening child protection, it is about making the law socially intelligent, making the law contextually sensitive, making the law protective and not blindly punitive. In fact, a carefully designed Romeo Juliet clause can protect children from abuse without criminalizing adolescence. Because justice should protect childhood, not police it. So, on this note, I hope you have understood this Romeo Juliet clause from sociological perspective. Do write us in the comment box what's your take on it. Till then, stay blessed and happy learning.